The South Korean government recently took emergency measures in the capital region to reduce fine dust. The pollution level is alarming as it can induce severe health issues amid the pandemic. Choi Won-jong has the full story.
Spring is here, but with it, unwelcome gas has arrived in South Korea. A thick layer of fine dust has filled the sky over Seoul, causing the government to initiate emergency fine dust reduction measures. This means the use of grade 5 emission vehicles is restricted and construction sites are required to adjust operating hours. However, some people were spotted jogging and biking in the park, while others were feeling frustrated due to the high fine dust levels.
It's already uncomfortable to wear a mask due to the pandemic, but it's more frustrating to wear one for fine dust. I want to walk around without one.
On days without severe fine dust, I didn't have a sore throat. But when there's a lot of dust, my throat hurts and I have to drink a lot of water and even have phlegm. I think it's very uncomfortable.
According to the Weather Institute on Monday, the fine dust density in Seoul reached at 106 micrograms per cubic meter, which falls under the second highest level of bad. Air quality in South Korea, mostly impacted by China for years, was cleaner than usual last year, as many Chinese factories stopped operating during the pandemic. However, one expert said this year the air quality will once again be poor.
This year is very different from last year, as China sets an active goal of economic growth, which means it is essential to operate factories, so air pollution is expected to increase.
On a clear day, you could easily see Seoul's skyline behind me, but on days like this, the poor air quality could bring some serious health problems.
An expert said it's a concern because fine dust can easily enter the nose, lungs, and even bloodstream.
With air pollution, we get a lot of comorbidities, meaning people who are also sick with other types of diseases such as asthma and some allergic reactions and whatnot. So all these come together, sort of creates this condition for people to be more prone to getting, let's say, viral infection or pneumonia infection. Bacterial infection.
He added that during the pandemic, fine dust cannot just increase the chances of people getting sick, but it also brings with higher death rates as well. And that's why he said it is still important to follow COVID-19 prevention measures, such as wearing a K94 mask that can block tiny dust particles. Meanwhile, the Korea Meteorological Administration said on Monday that yellow dust from China is expected to flow into the Korean peninsula starting Tuesday morning. Seoul's Environment Ministry and its Chinese counterpart are scheduled to meet online on Tuesday to discuss ways to solve the fine dust issue. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.